Good morning and welcome to the Math Review Week. This is day 4. I've posted the worksheet that we're going to be completing today. So if you have access to a printer, please go ahead and print that out. And you can complete it as you follow along with me. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and get started here. Okay, so for these exercises, again, you just have some addition problems and some subtraction. So I'll go ahead and read the first one off to you. It says 8 plus 2 equals. I'll give you some time to go ahead and think of your answer. Again, it's 8 plus 2. I'm going to write the answer in here for you so you can check. If you got 10, that is correct. The next one over here, 3 plus 6. Go ahead and use your fingers if you need to solve that one. The answer for this one is 9, right? If we have 3 and add 6 more, we get 9. Awesome job. Moving on down here, 9 take away 1 equals. Answer is 8. For this one here, 7 take away 4. And you should get 3 for this one. Alrighty, again, if your student is still struggling with these, just practice, writing some out on a piece of paper. It doesn't have to be, anything too like official. I have posted math fact pages up on the Google Classroom if you'd like to access those. But just keeping it nice and simple, just writing math problems down for them to practice can help them get better at this if they're struggling. The next activity that we have here is for writing the partner equation, okay? So we know from doing our number partners how to get the first number partner by going to the break apart stick and counting the counters before. So we have 1, 2, 3. So that is our first number partner, right? And this is an equation. So we know that we need a plus sign, Gus the plus. And then what is my second number partner here? If you got 2, that is correct. And then remember we have 3 plus 2. And you need your equals because this is an equation. And if you need help with 3 plus 2, you can use your fingers, or you can simply just go over here and count them all up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, we've checked our work. So we have 3 plus 2 equals 5. And that's how we get our partner equation, right? 3 is our first partner, 2 is our second partner. Let's take a look at our next exercise. All right, so this is our last exercise. And it says, draw a picture that shows partners for 7. So I want you to think there are a whole bunch of different number partners that you can use for the number 7. I'm going to go ahead here and try to real quickly show you all of them. Okay, so I'm still just adding all of our counters on here. Just give me a few more seconds. And then we need our break apart sticks here. All right, friends, so these are all of the different number partners that you could use, all right? Then you can write an equation. So what I would do is I would pick one of these. Pick one of your pictures. These are all of the options that you can choose from. You have 1 and 6, 2 and 5, 3 and 4, 4 and 3, 5 and 2, 6 and 1. You can pick whatever one you want and draw your picture for it. Okay, I was just showing you all of the possible options that you could do. You do not have to draw all of these. Just pick one. So I'm just going to go with this first one up here. So after I drew my picture, so say I drew this, I need to write the equation for it. So again, we find the break apart stick and we get our first number partner, which is 1. The break apart stick we use as the plus sign, for Gus the plus. And then we count up the other number partner. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And we have to write our total in, and we know before our total we put what sign? The equal sign. And then here's our total. You can do this for any one of these here. I was just showing you all of the options again. Okay, but you just need to do one. All right, this concludes the review for Unit 4. Again, anything in these videos, if you struggle with, you need to go back and watch the previous videos. If you need help, please send me a message, please email me, whatever it is, because this is the end of this unit. Next week, we're going to be starting all new information. So I want to make sure that everybody understands this before we move on. All right. Again, this is the last video, so enjoy the rest of your day.